Hey everybody. I didn't get my update out yesterday. My schedule's a little off due to the long holiday weekend, so as usual I wanted to go over some of the things that we've got done in the last week on the 71 Torino. So we'll flip this around so you can stop seeing my ugly face and see the car. So first things first, I fixed my mirror. I actually had a 69 Mustang mirror and took the assembly out of the inside of this thing and had to drill out the bolts in this bottom of this and everything. But we got the actual Torino mirror back on. The other mirror wasn't working out. It just wasn't working. And I mounted it in the 71 or close to the 71 location. Still got a couple holes from the original mounting holes for the 70 on this door. I've replaced more hoses. So I had a groove in the lower radiator hose from where the belt was touching, so we went ahead and replaced that and flushed the system again. I've also, not going to be able to show it to you guys, but I drained out 2 quarts of oil out of the rear end of this car and put new gear oil in it because I just wanted to make sure it was good to go there. We started packing for the power tour. I'm starting to get everything in here. I still got to get it organized, but spare parts everywhere. Wheels, chairs, electrical connections, fluids galore. We've taken it down the road a little bit more. I started painting some trim pieces that I don't know if I'll even put in. I've got wiper arms on the way from a 71 Mustang. Brand new. These are just not holding the wiper. The springs aren't getting enough tension and they're not holding this down, and I can't find good springs resource anywhere, so I just said screw it and ordered some 71 arms from a Mustang because they should fit. But yeah, just starting to go over little things. I don't know if I mentioned I replaced the coil, so I got a new coil on there just to be safe as well. Just doing all the odds and ends. Took it for another drive. It's backfiring a little bit after replacing the fuel sending unit. That was a big deal. We replaced the fuel sending unit on this thing. So now we can actually get a good accurate reading. So that's good. But that's pretty much it. So we're about 2 weeks away. A little less than 2 weeks away from the power tour. It would have been 2 weeks on Monday. But things are looking good. No craziness yet, so that's where we stand, and well, I will see you guys next week. Peace.